Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Maserati Levante and see what is the difference after installing them. Let's go. Wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent techniques, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This melt had good mechanical properties compared with industrial standards. The cheap spacers which using low-quality materials are not strong enough and will deform the endangered driving safety under strong impact. In contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.